Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Leibovit. It's Tuesday, December 10th, and this is a tutorial update for the Leibovit VR sequential indicator. As a reminder, we do have two other versions of the Leibovit VR indicator, the 2-day version and the directional filtering out repetitive VRs, and the 2-day simply taking a trade within 2 days if not stopped out first. Again, here we are at the Leibovit VR sequential. We're looking at CAF, the MS China A Fund, which pretty much mirrors the Shanghai stock market. And what we put up here is a weekly chart. As you know, I occasionally put the daily and weeklies up. And the whole idea is that we need to test these VRs out. When you put up a chart like this and you see there's a strong correlation, that's the type of security or future you want to trade. Not every VR sequence is going to be as reliable as others. It works better on some stocks or markets than others for whatever reason I can't explain, but this is why you do a little bit of testing and you see how it performs. I'm obviously very confident looking at CAF here on the weekly charts. And let's just briefly go over what we're looking at here. You know, way back in March 2012, here on the left side of the screen, a negative VR comes in. You have a nice slide for several weeks into the summer. Positive VR comes in fact, a series of VRs indicating that we could be bottoming, and this tells you you should be long. There was one aberration here in late September, and that would have gotten you out, but you would have gotten back in again here in November, so you really did miss this big move here, which unfolded into the beginning of 2013. And ever since then, negative VRs have pretty much told you to stay out of the China A shares. It did not catch this bottom here in June and July, no VR. So though we were oversold on the stochastic at that point, you obviously had to make a decision down here whether you want to take a trade or not as it started inching up. In recent weeks, some positive VRs have come in. We're trading above the blue line, which is a 50-week moving average, and now we're trading above the 200-week moving average. Though we're overbought here, there still seems to be some upside momentum. So I would remain bullish on the China shares for now. And that's a summary of the VR indicator for today. Have a great day. If you have any questions, email me at mark.vrtrader.com. Thank you.